I Rahul Mishra, and today we are going to discuss second compound of D block element, which is potassium permanganate. Its chemical formula is KMnO4. So we all know about permagnetic acid. It is HMnO4. So it's potassium salt. Its potassium salt means when this hydrogen is replaced by potassium, then it will form KMnO4. It means the salt of permagnetic acid is called as potassium permanganate. So what is potassium permanganate? This is the potassium salt of permagnetic acid. It means जो permagnetic acid होता है, this is HMnO4. Its potassium salt means KMnO4. So this is KMnO4. It is the salt of permagnetic acid. Now we will discuss its method of preparation. So write down here heading method of preparation. So first method of preparation is from potassium magnate. What is the formula of potassium magnate? It is K2MnO4. So from K2MnO4, potassium permanganate is obtained by two methods. Potassium permanganate is obtained by two methods. So first method is two method. So first method is by hydrolysis. By hydrolysis. So there is acidic hydrolysis. There is acidic hydrolysis. It means when potassium magnate means K2MnO4 reacts with acid, sulfuric acid, H2SO4, then it will form potassium permanganate, MnO2, K2SO4 and H2O. Now second method is bypassing Cl2 gas, CO2 gas or O3 gas into the aqueous solution of K2MnO4. It means जब K2MnO4 में कौन कौन सी गैस डालें, CO2, Cl2 या O3, then there is also formation of KMnO4. So listen here, when Cl2 gas, when CO2 gas is passed into K2MnO4 solution, then it will form KMnO4. When Cl2 gas is passed into K2MnO4 solution, then it will again form KMnO4 or potassium permanganate. When O3 or ozone gas is passed into K2MnO4 solution, then again KMnO4 is obtained. It means KMnO4 or potassium permanganate is also prepared by passing Cl2, CO2 and O3 gas into the aqueous solution of potassium magnate or K2MnO4. Now we will discuss industrial method. So this method is very important and it has been asked into UP board examination, and listen, this is very important method. So question had asked into UP board examination was, what is the method of preparation of KMnO4 from pyrolusite ore? From pyrolusite. So what is pyrolusite? So this is impure MnO2. This is impure MnO2. So listen, this method is industrial method. This method is industrial method of preparation of KMnO4. So from pyrolusite, how will you prepare KMnO4? So listen here, What is pyrolusite? So listen, pyrolusite is impure MnO2. Impure manganese dioxide is called as pyrolusite. So from pyrolusite, KMnO4 is obtained by two steps. If obtained by two steps. In the first step, pyrolusite ore contain impure MnO2 and this will react with KOH and O2 and it will form potassium magnate. It means सबसे पहले इंडस्ट्रियल मेथड में जो pyrolusite होता है, this pyrolusite contain impure MnO2. इस pyrolusite में क्या होता है, impure manganese dioxide and this manganese dioxide reacts with KOH and O2 and it will form K2MnO4 और ये क्या बनाता है, पोटेशियम मैग्नेट. This will form potassium magnate. And listen, from potassium magnate we can obtain potassium permanganate as we have discussed earlier above. So listen, from potassium magnate we can obtain potassium permanganate by these three reactions. It means second step will be same as previous. Second step will be same as previous. Step number, method number 1B. 1 का B जो मेथड है उसी के जैसा ही रहेगा. So listen, so from industrial method, first we take pyrolusite ore, it means impure MnO2 and it reacts with KOH plus O2, then it will form K2MnO4. Now obtained K2MnO4 can form KMnO4 by three method: bypassing CO2 gas, bypassing Cl2 gas and bypassing O3 gas. So second step will remain same as above. Step number, method number B, R2. So listen, it means in exam you have to write these three reaction in the step number 2. Now we will discuss the physical properties of KMnO4. So KMnO4 is violet crystalline solid, as we have already seen in laboratory. KMnO4 is violet colored crystalline solid. We have taken it in burette during redox titration. We have already discussed in the form of their solution. Now, it is sparingly soluble in water or it is some moderately soluble. It means it is not completely soluble in water. ये ना बहुत ज़्यादा soluble होता है वाटर में, ना बहुत ही कम soluble होता है. So it is moderately soluble in water. Now we will discuss chemical properties of KMnO4. First, action of heat. So on heating KMnO4, it will form potassium magnate plus O2 plus MnO2. It means question will be asked into UP board examination in this form: how will you obtain potassium magnate from potassium permanganate? It means आप कैसे बनाएंगे पोटेशियम मैग्नेट को पोटेशियम परमैग्नेट से. आपको ये रिएक्शन लिख के आनी है. So listen, action of heat. It means when potassium permanganate is heated at 200 degrees Celsius, then it will decompose into potassium magnate plus O2 plus MnO2. Now second reaction is reaction with acid or concentrated H2SO4. Reaction with acid or concentrated H2SO4. So 4 KMnO4 plus 6 H2SO4 gives out 2 K2SO4 plus 4 MnSO4 plus 6 H2O plus 5 O2. It means when KMnO4 reacts with acid, then it will form potassium sulfate, manganese sulfate, water, oxygen. Now reaction with alkali. So when KMnO4 reacts with alkali, we all know that about alkali. Alkali are those bases which are soluble in water. It means NaOH, KOH are called as alkali. So when KMnO4 reacts with alkali like KOH, then it will form potassium magnate. Potassium magnate plus 2H2O plus O2. Now we will discuss oxidizing nature of KMnO4. So as we have discussed in laboratory, during titration KMnO4 works as oxidizing agent, which is taken in burette. Its solution taken in burette, and it will oxidize oxalic acid in the presence of sulfuric acid. It means KMnO4 works as oxidizing agent in the presence of sulfuric acid. Now solution, as titration, as in case of titration KMnO4 works as oxidizing agent, so it will oxidize oxalic acid and it will oxidize other substances also. For example, SO2, it will oxidize SO2 into SO4 2 minus ion. It will oxidize SO2 into SO4 2 minus ion, because in case of sulfur it is plus 4 oxidation state of sulfur, and in case of SO4 2 minus ion there is plus 6 oxidation state. It means this is oxidation from plus 4 to plus 6. So listen here, SO2 get oxidized into SO4 2 minus ion. So listen, KMnO4 oxidizes SO2 into SO4 2 minus ion. So one important thing is there is minus 1. There is minus 1. In all these cases, this is KMnO4 minus, not 2 minus. This is KMnO4 single minus. In all these cases, there is KMnO4 single minus. KMnO4 single minus. Now, second reaction, Cl minus changes into Cl2. It means KMnO4 oxidize HCl. Cl minus ion comes from HCl and it will oxidize HCl into Cl2. So Cl minus oxidize into Cl2. Similarly, we can say KMnO4 oxidize H2O2 into O2. KMnO4 oxidize I minus into I2. KMnO4 oxidizes SO3 2 minus into SO4 2 minus. Similarly, we can say KMnO4 oxidizes NO2 minus into NO3 माइनस. इट मीन्स हम कह सकते हैं ये HNO2 को ऑक्सीडाइज करता है HNO3 में, क्योंकि HNO2 कौन सा आयन देता है NO2 माइनस, और HNO3 कौन सा आयन देता है NO3 माइनस. तो हम कह सकते हैं कि MnO4 एसिडिक मीडियम में या H2SO4 की प्रेजेंस में या H प्लस की प्रेजेंस में NO2 माइनस को ऑक्सीडाइज करता है NO3 माइनस में, या फिर HNO2 को ऑक्सीडाइज करता है HNO3 3 में. Now next reaction, thiosulfate is oxidized into S2O6 2 minus. It means S2O3 2 minus को ये चेंज करता है S2O6 2 माइनस में. ऑक्सीलेट को CO2 में ऑक्सीडाइज करता है, जैसे कि हमने टाइट्रेशन में भी देखा था, वहाँ ऑक्जेलिक एसिड CO2 में ऑक्सीडाइज होता था. So similarly here this reaction is taken. I minus is also oxidized into IO3 minus, or we can say Ki is oxidized into KiO3. This is called as potassium iodate. Potassium iodate. So I minus is oxidized into IO3 minus. So listen, what are the uses of KMnO4? It will act as oxidant, it will act as laboratory reagent, in qualitative analysis also. In qualitative analysis also. And listen, we can say it acts as oxidizing agent or oxidant during titration also. So this is we have discussed earlier. So listen here, you have to improve. There is only single minus, not two minus in all cases. In all these cases there is single minus, there is single negative charge on MnO4 minus. So 2MnO4 minus, 2MnO4 minus, in all cases there is 2MnO4 minus, because we are studying the reaction of KMnO4. So KMnO4 in reactant side it will give which ion? It will give MnO4 minus ion, not MnO4 2 minus ion. So this is misprinting. Now this is this is MnO4 single minus, this is MnO4 single minus.